Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to add snow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, from the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Black and White. Change the blend mode of this layer to Linear Dodge. Play with the RGB and CMY sliders to your liking. Select the layer mask of the black and white layer and then click on the brush tool from the toolbar. Make sure the flow is set to 10% and the foreground color is set to black. I'm going to paint over the areas that are a little too bright. From the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Solid Color. Pick black and then click OK. Now right-click and convert to Smart Object so we can apply some filters. Click on Filter in the top menu and choose Add Noise from the Noise dropdown. With Gaussian and monochromatic selected, enter an amount of 20% and then click OK. Click on Filter and choose Crystallize from the Pixelate dropdown. Choose a value of 80 for the cell size and then click OK. Click on Filter one more time and this time choose Motion Blur from the Blur dropdown. Select -85 degrees for angle and 100 pixels for distance. Now bring in a curves adjustment layer and click on the clip button to restrict the changes to just the layer below. Bring the curves line up a bit in the highlights area and down a bit in the shadows area. This will allow you to control the amount of falling snow. Now change the blend mode of the color fill layer to screen. From the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Color Lookup. Click on the Lookup table dropdown and choose Moonlight. To control the intensity of this effect, feel free to play around with the opacity slider. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.